In our communities, we often talk about keeping our paths clear so we can see what lies ahead. But in these modern days, our digital paths are constantly being covered by a heavy snowfall of endless emails. It gets overwhelming, and we lose sight of what truly matters. So today, we are looking at 5 helpful tools designed to clear away that clutter and bring quiet back to your daily work. First on the list, and the overall best one to be honest, is Clean Email. So let us speak about the one tool that combines powerful cleanup features with ongoing inbox maintenance. Now, we often find ourselves looking at thousands of old messages that pile up like dry leaves in the autumn, making it impossible to find the important things. This is where Clean Email shines brighter than the rest. We really appreciate the auto-clean feature. You can set up custom email rules once, and the app does the dirty work in the background. It saves you from manual inbox maintenance, automatically sorting your incoming mail, or sending those endless newsletter subscriptions directly to the trash. And with the unsubscriber feature, you can bulk unsubscribe from all unwanted newsletter and promotional mail in just a few minutes. What also made us so comfortable using it is privacy. They don't monetize your inbox or read your personal messages. They strictly analyze headers and patterns to organize your emails automatically. And you won't have to change your inbox workspace. Clean Email works across all your devices and email providers, whether you're on Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. For us, that combination of massive bulk cleaning, automated rules, and total privacy makes it the absolute standard for email management. Following that same path of keeping things orderly, SaneBox offers another way to quiet the digital noise. While our favorite Clean Email is unmatched at helping us clean up the massive piles of old mail we have already accumulated, SaneBox focuses its energy on the horizon, watching the new messages as they arrive. It uses clever algorithms to understand which senders you actually talk to and which ones are just shouting into the wind. When a message comes in that does not need your immediate attention, SaneBox gently places it into a folder called Sane Later, keeping your main view calm and focused. We find this helpful because it works directly on the email server, meaning you do not have to install any new apps or change how you look at your screen. However, while it does a fine job of sorting the daily stream, it doesn't quite offer the deep, active cleanup tools that make Clean Email so comforting when you are trying to dig your way out of a long neglected inbox. Still, for the busy worker who wants an automated gatekeeper to filter out distractions before they even land, SaneBox is a steady companion. Moving from the individual journey to the cooperative spirit of the community, we find ourselves looking at Gmelius. There are times when managing email is not a solitary task, but one that requires the strength of the whole tribe working together. Gmelius is designed precisely for these moments, transforming a standard Gmail inbox into a shared space where team members can collaborate without stepping on each other's toes. We like how it allows you to assign emails to specific people, just like handing off a physical task, and you can even leave private notes for your colleagues right inside the email thread. It also brings in visual Kanban boards, which help us see the flow of our projects as clearly as watching a river bend. But we must be honest that Gmelius is a very specialized tool built for collaborative business teams, and it might feel like too much weight to carry if you are just a single person looking to find peace in your personal inbox. For those solo journeys, the focused simplicity of Clean Email remains far more practical and inviting, though Gmelius remains an excellent bridge for teams needing to coordinate their efforts. In a very similar way, Hiver aims to bring harmony to teams, but it focuses its energy specifically on customer support and service. When many hands are needed to answer the questions of the people, things can easily get lost in the brush. Hiver helps by turning your Google Workspace into a shared customer service desk, allowing teams to manage accounts like support or info seamlessly. We find that it makes delegation very straightforward, letting you assign incoming queries as tasks and track how quickly they are resolved. It's a sturdy tool for small and medium-sized businesses that already live inside the Google ecosystem and want to keep their customer relations organized. That being said, because it's heavily tailored for customer support teams and ticketing, it has a steep learning curve and carries a higher cost that doesn't make sense for an individual. It's a solid structure for a busy trading post, but if you're just looking to clear the brush from your personal digital trail, clean email is still the more direct and nurturing path to take. Lastly, as we look toward the modern tools that utilize artificial intelligence, we come to Fyxer. This tool acts much like a personal secretary who sits beside you, listening to your voice and learning your habits. Fyxer is designed to study how you write so that it can automatically draft replies that sound just like you, saving you from having to type out the same greetings and answers day after day. It also acts as a meeting assistant, joining your digital gatherings to take detailed notes and pull out the important action items for you. We appreciate this forward-looking approach, as it tries to lift the actual burden of writing off your shoulders. However, because it relies so heavily on complex artificial intelligence to draft your thoughts, it requires a lot of trust and a significant financial investment, starting at a much higher price than the other options. While Fyxer is an impressive helper for busy executives, we still find that for keeping your digital home clean and peaceful, Clean Email offers a more reliable, private, and grounded experience. Now, as we bring our conversation to a close, we hope this guide helps you find the right tool to restore quiet to your digital life. Whether you need a team space, an AI writer, or a simple, powerful way to sweep away the clutter with Clean Email, the goal is always to clear your path. We would recommend you check the description to get all the links, try them out on your own, and then pick the right tool for your needs. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.